What's up everybody and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is TI and if you are new here, thank you for joining us, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. I have a quick video for you on one of something that I'm super stoked to tell you about. This is an aluminum laptop stand. Today I will explain why it can be useful even for an ordinary user, what advantages you will get when using it, and I will show you a successful model from UGREEN. I am on my laptop constantly, and I like to have my laptop up closer to the eye level instead of looking down at my desk. If you're sitting at it for 8 hours a day, it's gonna straighten your neck and your eyes. So as an advice, do not place the laptop on sofas, blanket, knees or other surfaces that block air inlets. In this case, a stand will come in handy, which allows you to raise the laptop above the surface and provides a free flow of cold air. Heat transfer improves and the temperature immediately drops by several degrees. The second point is fatigue at work. If you work at a laptop for a long time, play or watch a video, then your neck and your back may become numb because your head is much higher than the screen and you look down all the time. The stand allows you to raise the screen higher, making it position relative to your face like a classic monitor. In this position, it is much easier to work, the muscles do not swell so quickly. At the same time, the requirements for a high quality stand are very difficult. It should be versatile for maximum compatibility and sturdy, yet compact and lightweight so you can take it with you. All these parameters are matched by the UGREEN aluminum folding stand, which I will talk about in detail today. So, let's scrutinize our product. The packaging is designed in the general corporate style. In terms of design, everything is traditionally simple but tasteful. The cardboard itself is not very thick, which is why the box was slightly damaged during delivery. On the back there are the main characteristics. Okay, let me open this up and show you what's in the box. Now, first thing I noticed when I pulled this out of the package is that it comes in a bag. So if you are throwing this in your backpack like I am, it offers you a slight bit of protection. It also looks good. I just like anything in its own bag. And you know, maybe prevent it from getting some scratches or whatnot. I really do like this bag. It's small and smooth. Pulling this out, this is a metal stand. That's another big thing that I like about it. The construction is better. It feels heftier in your hand, but it's not really heavy. It's pretty thin metal and you can see how flat it folds. So it's not going to take up a lot of space in your backpack. And actually, if I compare it to those popular ones from Amazon, you can see that it's quite a bit smaller in both dimensions, especially that one. Actually, in my case, it is what happens. When folded, the accessory is very compact. When unfolded, the piece of iron has the shape of a pear track. And to use it, you need to perform two simple actions. Set the legs according to the desired angle of inclination and expand the bases in width as much as possible. A total of 5 positions are available. Within the first position, you will get the minimum angle and accordingly the minimum tilt. And in the last position, the maximum angle and inclination. As you can see, all places where the laptop can come into contact with metal are protected by silicone. There are also silicone pads on all legs which ensure stability even on smooth surfaces. By the way, in width it can be expanded not completely but partially. This will make it possible to install even a small tablet. But this is more like a bonus because the main purpose is laptops. I have ordered a second one for a friend, but this time it came with a different bag. Honestly, I prefer this last one, so make sure when you order in yours to tell the seller which one you prefer and which one you want him to send to you. Okay, let me open this up and pull the stand out. Wow, I mean, look at this pouch. It's fantastic gray pouch. This is a quick comparison between the two pouches. They are very well made, although I prefer the gray one, but the two stands are 100% identical as well, as you can see. I was a little concerned before buying this because price was so low. Needless to say, I had nothing to worry about. The stand is perfect, high quality build, excellent materials and works like a charm. Even though I bought this primarily for desktop use, the folding mechanism and compact size when folded up make this a truly incredible versatile stand. The supply travel pouch for the stand is also very top quality soft cloth and very well made. I really can't say enough about how pleased I am with this stand. It's sturdy, it's a nice aluminum alloy, and it's adjustable. It's definitely portable, that's for sure. Now I think what's going to excite me about this is the ergonomic factor, so I can just lay the stand out like. I really like the product, it looks so simple that you don't even need to look at the instructions. You know guys, one of the biggest problems with using a laptop over a long period of time is that you're typically hunched over looking at the screen. A simple solution to the problem is a laptop stand. So your laptop is elevated to a comfortable height. Honestly, this has exceeded my expectations just in regards to the product itself, and considering the price for it, it has blown my expectations out of the water. As I said earlier, there are 5 different levels of inclination. Let me show you the maximum one. At this height, as you can see, the screen is elevated to the same level as your eyes. And now, let's see together the minimum level of inclination. Okay, here you are. It's easier for me to see, it helps my neck not being strained. I like that the bottom of my laptop can cool off, and since it raised so less pain on my back, I enjoy that I'm not having to bend down too much. So far so good, since I paired it with my laptop light makes it look like a new computer. It's a little more ergonomic and makes my laptop look more stylish. Open ventilation holes are clearly visible. Even in simple tasks, cooling is improved because heat dissipates faster and cold air gets inside without obstacles. The laptop is compact, so there is still room left with the margin. At any angle of inclination, the stand is stable and the laptop is securely fixed. Here, take a larger laptop. This is Dell Latitude with 15-inch screen diagonal, and as you can see, it also stands perfectly at the required angle, although it is noticeable that it fits right next to the thickness. The legs barely keep it on the stand. That's in fact not even the screen diagonal plays a big role, but the thickness of the laptop. If this is something more or less modern, then it will be on the stand. Okay guys, I really like how durable and simplistic this is. It weighs almost about nothing, it comes in a cute grey pouch, there is no parts to assemble, it's durable and it's made of metal. You can use it for more than just your laptop. It works well with a tablet, a book, and I'm sure you can even use it for a landscape mode for a phone. You don't have to open it all the way for it to work. It's very versatile and definitely a must-have for trying to ventilate a laptop and get a ton of more different types of uses at. In general, the stand shows itself from its best side and leaves the impression of a reliable and durable fixture. It looks nice, and when folded takes up almost no space in the bag, which allows you to use it not only at home but also take it with you on trips. I can highly recommend this, guys, especially for how cheap you can get it. There is going to be a link down in the description. You can go there and purchase one for yourself. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I would love to have you around for all my future videos where I talk about tech reviews for anything from audio products to camera gear. So thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.